one of the first things that anybody or everybody would do when visiting a new country is think about what they want to pack for that country. The next thing is that you want to check what the weather is going to be like. Is it going to be hot? Is it going to be cold? It'll rain, or it's going to be a mix of everything in one given day. Now, when it comes to Malaysia, it's not so much that you need to break your head about. Over here, you'll witness or experience tropical weather. Now, when I say tropical weather, it would mean that it's either going to be a lot of sun or it's going to be a lot of rain. So that's what you've got over here. On any given day, there could be sun in the morning, and by say mid-afternoon, it could be rain. And by 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, the sun could be out again. I could be experiencing both on the same very day. So I would suggest that if you're going to pack for yourself for this kind of weather, it's going to be something comfortable, something that will be easy for you to move around in. Even if you sweat, you wouldn't mind it because the clothes are like so comfortable that it really doesn't bother you. Personal choice for me, it has always been sports attire. Like I would just simply wear gym shorts and a nice comfortable t-shirt. You could choose maybe cotton, cotton shirts or cotton pants. Well, the decision is up to you, but then the suggestion from me would be to wear something really comfortable, because the weather is like that. Honestly, there's nothing more beyond this that I could tell you about the weather here. And again, a lot of beaches over here, so be prepared with a lot of sunscreen as well if you plan to visit the beaches. So what you need to pack here is just simply some good old nice comfortable clothes for this tropical weather. It's going to be sunny or it's going to be raining. So not something that you need to think too much about. So that brings me to the end of the video. I'll bring you something new the next video. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, go drop in your questions in the comment section. I will see you soon. Bye.